Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use text function in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have data, and the text function is used to format numbers, dates or times into the text with the specific format. So let's start how it's used. Here you can see I have a value list, and here I select the cell, use the is equal to and enter the text. And select the values first, then use the comma in double quote. I use here the first hashtag. Here the hashtag indicate the first number of this value, then use the comma. Again, I use here the double hashtags, use the zero and use here the double zero and double quote, and then bracket closed and enter. And that's it. I just copy this formula and paste here in below cell. Okay. And here you see the all number with comma here is showing. Okay. So this is a way you can use here the text function in Excel. Hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.